Alright guys, so you want to know about Belgian vending machines? This is one of them. This isn't the one I would go to, but that one seems to be closed for some reason, and I'm lucky nobody is here, or they'd be like, what the fuck is that girl doing? So, you have warm snacks like hamburgers and hot dogs and stuff. You can heat up your own food if you want, because you can sit here. And then sodas. These are sandwiches. Dessert, because I see chocolate mousse and yogurt and stuff. And then this is the big one. So you have everything you need, really. There's even dishwasher, soap and food, and there's the alcohol, you see? And there's like no way you can tell how old you are. So you just put in your card here. Oh, it works by card, mine doesn't. And then, or coins or whatever. And there you go, you can get lots of alcohol. There's beer and wine and champagne and more beer, chips. And then we get to the candy strings and the vibrators and the, what else is there? What is that? Massage gel, candy bra, cigarettes. Holy crap, there's cigarettes. That's a first. Mine doesn't have that. Oh, condoms, of course. Am I still alone? Yes, I am. So yes, here you go. Oh, and there's more candy over here. There's coffee. There's more soda. There's ice cream. There's a kids corner. That's interesting. This one's better. Okay, but yeah, basically you get the idea. And they're showing up everywhere in Belgium, so it's pretty cool. Actually, I'm wondering now, what is, let's see, champagne is 3012. I know, okay, I'm just saying. So yes, I just ordered champagne, but I have to put in money, and I don't want to pay 12 euros to show you anyone can get alcohol. But pretty much, yeah, anyone can get alcohol. And cigarettes. I cannot believe they put cigarettes in here. That's so illegal, isn't it? I don't know if it's illegal. Play Dream vibrator. That sounds interesting. Super vibrator. Play Inspiration vibrator. And calling cards. Why is that in between the vibrators? I don't get that. Let's see, what is that? I like this one better. That's cool. Okay. Let's see what else is in here. Mayonnaise, coffee. But yes, okay. Ooh, a lighter. So yes, you really do have everything you need in here. Cool. That was your introduction to Belgian vending machines. Isn't it awesome? I think so. Alright, I'm gonna get something to eat, but not from here. Somewhere else.